Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, I'll be showing how you can add the data of the students who are purchasing your online course into a spreadsheet application automatically. So guys, if you're running any online course and if you want to create the record of the sales that you're getting from that course, this automation is for you. And here you can see on my screen guys, I'm using Teachable application to run and sell my courses, which is a learning management program. And here I'm using Google Sheets to add the date of the purchase. So you can see as and when any student is going to purchase my course, the date of that student along with the course will be added in a row here in the spreadsheet automatically. So you do not have to manually sort out the data of your sales and you do not have to manually create that database. So it will surely save your time and your energy and you can focus on more productive things. And to make this happen guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation very easily without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So now let's set up this automation together. So to set up this automation guys, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. And to reach here, you can use this link pabbly.com/connect. So we have pasted this same link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now, then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, just click on this create workflow button. And here you can give any proper name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here as Teachable to Google Sheets automation. Okay. So after filling the name like this, you just have to click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page guys, you will see the trigger and the action. So these are the basic building blocks of this automation. Trigger is that event which is going to trigger or make this workflow know that it is time to run. And the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be selling of a course from Teachable and the action would be to add the date of that course that got sold into the spreadsheet. Okay, so first of all, we need to set up the trigger. So from this choose app field, you have to choose your trigger application, which is Teachable in our case. So search for Teachable. Here it is, select it. And the trigger event would be new sale option. So it will trigger when a user enrolls themselves into a course. It can be a free course or a paid course. So I am giving you the example by the free course. You can use this same trigger for the paid courses as well. Okay, select this new sale option and here it will show you this webhook URL. So with the help of this URL, we are going to make a connection with Teachable application so that we can capture the response of that connection here. Which means to set up this automation, we are going to purchase a course manually and we'll capture the data of that course purchase here in this workflow. Okay. So you need to follow these steps, these instructions written here. You can see you have to find the settings of the admin sidebar of Teachable where you will find this webhooks button. Let me show you how you can do that. This is my Teachable applications dashboard panel guys. Here you can see from the left hand side, you will find this settings icon. Click on settings. Under the settings, you will find this webhooks tab. Click on webhooks and here you will find this add webhook button. Click on add webhook and here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got here. Just copy it from here. Okay, and go back to your admin panel of Teachable and here paste the webhook URL like this. Okay, and here you have to toggle this button to on, that is webhook payload setting. You have to toggle this on. Here you will find the events on which you want to send the data. So whenever a new sale happens, I want to send the data to my workflow. Here you can see a user purchases or subscribes to a paid or free course. Select this new sale option, then scroll down here and click on save. And a new webhook is saved here. Okay, and here you can see as I have copied the webhook URL, here it started showing waiting for the webhook response. So this means guys, now we have to perform a test submission. Test submission means we have to manually purchase a course that will be a demo purchase and we are going to capture that response of that purchase here automatically. Okay, and that will act as a test data for us, and with the help of that data we are going to move forward in the automation, right? So I have created my selling page with the help of Teachable application. I can show you here in the incognito window. I have opened it. This is a selling page of a course named as PHP course for beginners. So you can customize this page according to you. I'm just showing you the demo. Okay, you can see learn the PHP basics in just 3 days. That's a free course I'm selling. You can create paid courses as well. And here we have enroll now button. So by clicking on enroll now, student can reach the checkout page. Here they can make the payment, but this is a free course, so we do not have any payment options. We have sign up with email option. Okay, so let me sign up here. Okay, so let me fill in the details of any person who is purchasing the course. So let's the name of a person is Khushbu Tiwari. Okay, the email address of this person let be this, and here I am going to manually create a password also. That can be any password. Okay, and I'm clicking on sign up. Okay, so the email is already in use, so let me use a different email. Alright, so you can see this person is getting signed up. This person is actually purchased our course, and from this button now the person can see the course curriculum and move forward and complete the course and learn from it. Now let's see in our workflow if we got the data captured of this course or not, this purchase or not. So here I am on my workflow again, and here you can see in this response received section we got the data captured here like this. And here in the data you can find the course's name, the course's URL, and the description, and the date at which the course has been purchased is here, and we have all the data related to the customer, the student as well. Okay, and here I have created a spreadsheet, guys, in which I want to save this data. The name of the student who is purchasing the course, let me zoom it a bit, the name, the email, the course's name, and the amount. These are the things that I want to save here in this spreadsheet to maintain a record of my sales. Now to put the data here automatically, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this actions tab, and from here I'm going to choose the action application now as Google Sheets, and we are going to connect Google Sheets here, and the action event would be add new row. So this action event would add a new row in our spreadsheet. Click on connect here, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Sheets, and from here you have to select that Google account by which you have created that sheet. Okay, then provide some additional access to Pabbly Connect. Just click on continue from here, and you can see the authorization is successful now, and we are getting connected with our spreadsheet. Alright, so we are now connected, and here you can see we have this select spreadsheet field. So when you click here, it will show you the list of all the spreadsheets that you have inside a Google Sheets application. So from here you can select this sheet named as Teachable. So from here search for Teachable, here it is, select it, and here you can see it is asking to select the sheet's name now. So you can see my sheet's name is course sales sheet, and here you can see it got automatically selected because we have only one sheet. And now it is asking for the name, email, course, and amount. So these are the headers of the columns that we have here. Let me show you. Name, email, course, and amount. So now to get this data filled automatically in our sheet, we need to map the values of these headers here in this workflow. And we are going to use this test data that we have received in the first step, and we are going to use these labels that we have captured here, and I'm going to map these labels here in this step, so that every time a new course a new purchase happens from our Teachable, the labels are going to change and new data will be delivered to spreadsheet. Okay, so to map the data here, just click on this name field, and it will show you the Teachable step in the drop down, and from here only you can map the name label of the customer or the student. This is the name label, map it. And for the email, use the same process. Okay, course's name, let's see if we have the course's name. Yes, we have, map it. And the amount, so this is a free course, so the amount will be 0. Okay, final price is 0, map the final price. But if you are selling the paid courses, here it will show you in this label only the amount, so you can use this same label and it will show you the amount here. Okay, so that's why it is necessary to map the data, because when you map the data, what will happen in real time, whenever you get a real course purchase, these labels are going to change and a new data will be delivered. Okay, now you can check your connection with your spreadsheet also. You can see we have 33 rows right now in our spreadsheet. Let's check our connection. I'm clicking on save and send test request here. All right, and this is the response we have received here. Let's check our spreadsheet if we got the data. And here you can see a new row is added here with the new details. You can see Khushbu Tiwari, email ID, course's name, and the amount is here. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation and it is running completely fine. And you have to set up this automation only once, guys. After that, as and when any person, any student is going to purchase your course, the data of that student and the course's name will be placed here in this spreadsheet automatically. And the good part is you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.